Alright, we're back at my aunt's garage with her Liftmaster chain drives. I'm still not sure what model they are. I can't see what model. I'll have to look. But right now I'm just showing you the opener. So they actually are in still good shape. Operating perfectly. And so yeah, still operating perfectly. Everything's fine. Okay, so I just really wonder what model this opener is. So it actually looks like one of these Chamberlain garage door openers I've seen before. It actually looks like one of those. And right here I have the remote. $891 LM. This thing has got to focus. Here it is. And yeah, they have nylon rollers. Sensors down there. There's the wall controls over there. 882 LMs. And I'll open it back up. Alright, so now we'll go outside. Here's what they look like from the outside. They're long panel 8-foot doors with plain windows. Here's their 877 LM keypad. For some reason, keypads make good bug houses. Just don't get it. I'll close the door from the outside now. Here you go. So yeah, these are in much better shape than the other one. In there, I'm just changing the light bulb right now, and the truck's in the way, so I'm just taking this video when I have time. But it's, unlike the other one, it's an insulated steel door. Back up. Yeah, so now I'm going to put the remote away. So I just want to know what model these openers are. It's just because they look like these Chamberlains I've seen before, and I don't know what model that is, but I have no idea whatsoever what model they are. Oh yeah, actually, I take back putting the remote in there. There is something I want to show you. So with the wall control, put the remote down. So the wall control. So I'm gonna push lock, and that locks it. So when I push the button, light blinks two times, signaling that the remote will not work, but the keypad and wall controls still work. And you'll know that it's locked when the LED is blinking like that. So let's go ahead and unlock this. Yeah, so I was trying to show you the lock in the last video. I didn't know you had to hold it like that for 2 seconds. But, yeah, these openers are just good openers for this house, for this particular house. So now I'm gonna close the door. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.